Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're going back to the golden era of American automotive design, the late 1950s, to take a closer look at one of Ford's most iconic full-size cars, the 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie. This car wasn't just a mode of transportation, it was a statement of style, size, and performance. In this video, we'll take you through the exterior, the interior, what's under the hood, and how it feels to drive this beast. Let's dive in. Exterior. The 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie is a rolling sculpture of chrome, steel, and sweeping lines. This was the first year Ford introduced the Galaxie nameplate, adding it to the top-tier Fairlane 500 trim, creating a luxurious blend of flair and function. You'll notice right away, those massive tailfins were very much in fashion in the late 50s, and Ford made sure theirs were among the boldest. The dual bullet taillights, the wide grille with integrated quad headlights, and the heavy use of chrome trim from front to rear, all of it screams post-war American optimism. This model sits on a 118-inch wheelbase, with an overall length of over 17 feet, yes, 17 feet of classic Americana. Interior. Inside, the Fairlane 500 Galaxie offers a plush and spacious cabin that reflects the elegance of its exterior. It was available in a range of two-tone upholstery options, with color-matched dashboards and gleaming metallic accents. This particular model features a front bench seat, with room for 3 adults, or even 4 if you're friendly enough. The dash layout is classic 50s, analog gauges, big knobs, and a wide steering wheel with the signature Ford horn ring. Luxury features for its time included an AM radio, a 2-speed electric wiper system, and even optional air conditioning, a rare treat in the late 50s. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxie could be fitted with a range of V8 engines. The base model came with a 223 cubic inch inline-6, but most buyers opted for one of the Thunderbird version 8s, like the 292, 332, or 352 cubic inch options. This one is equipped with the 352 cubic inch, or 5.8-liter, V8, pushing out around 300 horsepower, which was impressive for the time. It's paired with a cruise-o-matic 3-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. Driving the Galaxie feels like piloting a yacht. The steering is soft, the ride is floaty, and the suspension just glides over the road. It's not built for cornering or speed, it's built for comfort, cruising, and turning heads. The 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie represents everything we love about vintage American cars: bold styling, chrome for days, roomy interiors, and that unmistakable presence on the road. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates design history, the Galaxie delivers. It's a piece of Americana that reminds us of a time when cars were built with style, swagger, and steel. Thanks for joining us for this look at the 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite late 50s